Feel the sun on your skin. Nature can lift your mood instantly. Step outside. Breathe in the fresh air. Just 5 minutes in nature can boost your mood. Listen to the birds. Yes, it's that simple. Even a quick walk in the park works wonders. Studies show it reduces stress. Flowers? Instant happiness. Green spaces calm the mind. Blue skies brighten the spirit. Got a window view? Bonus. Just looking at nature improves focus and creativity. Next time you're feeling low, remember this. Nature is free therapy. So step outside and let the magic happen. Like and subscribe for more self-help tips. Hey.